Hello, I finally found the wonder of all AI. This AI will blow your mind, trust me. It's crazy. Do you know that there's an AI that keeps you trained of other AIs? Is this something you're interested in? Come in, let's dive in. I'm going to show you an AI that tells you about other AIs and gives you information whether they're free or not. Make sure to stick around on this video to the end so you can actually catch the names of this AI. Over here is the interface of the first website, the first AI website. Now look at this. This will blow your mind. Wow. Wow. It gives you a list of all the AI, tell you what they can do, if they can writing and video editing, production, it tells you about it. It tells you what an AI is. This is amazing. Come on, this is crazy. I don't know if you're enjoying this. This will blow your mind. Okay, without wasting time, let's go back to the second website. This is the second website. This is the amazing thing about this website. It tells you whether is it paid, if it's paid or it's free. Now look here. When you come to this place, you will see if the website is paid. Over here where my cursor is, you will see paid. Over here, you will see free. You will see paid. If you keep going down to other websites, you see free trial, you see paid, you see everything. This is actually crazy. You can get to know so much on AI with these two websites. Believe me, you'll learn to type way later. I know you'll be anxious and you'll be in a hurry to know the website. This is the website now. There's a website. You can actually do all these tasks. This is the mother AI website. You will not believe this. Over here and here are videos of AI that can keep you updated and how to make money with AI. Sign out from here. Thank you very much.